Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I like to give you a tip on what will happen on the day of your test, just before your test. So this video is all about just explaining, just a short video on what you are expecting just before your test on the day of your test. So on the day of your test, if you are going to the test with a driving instructor, your instructor will come about an hour before your test. So if your test is at 10 o'clock in the morning, your instructor will come and pick you up around 9 a.m., about an hour before your test. Make sure you take your driving license with you and make sure you take a printout of your confirmation for your test. Normally, when you book your test online or on the phone, they send you an email with a confirmation for your booking of your test. Print that out and take it with you at the test center. So if something happens and they can't find you on the list, you have a proof that your test is booked today. So you will go into your car, make sure you set yourself up, adjust your seat, adjust your mirrors, so everything comfortable. Obviously you've been driving this car before, but you just have to adjust your seat and adjust your mirrors so you are comfortable. You will be on your way going to the test center. On the way going, you will be doing some practices, maybe some parkings. If you have the time, you probably will do all of them. Some drivings, maybe roundabouts, and some things that you feel you need to work on. So if there is something you want to work on, ask your instructor to help you with that. So then you will arrive at the test center and go in to the car park of the test center around 10 minutes before. Not before 10 minutes. Normally, they ask you to go in no more than 10 minutes before. Because there are other people finishing off their test. If you go in too early, you will be on their way, disturbing them. So 10 minutes before your test, go in to the car park of the test center. You will go in, park your car facing out, so it will be easy for you to go out of the test center when you start the test. So then you will be going into the office. There are toilets facilities. If you want to use, you can use them. You will go into the office, you take your seat, so the examiner will come out, call your name, get your license ready to give it to him, and approach him with a smile. The first impression is always important. In the end, the examiner is a human being and he has feelings, and you want to show him that you are ready for the test and you are confident for the test. He will ask you to read and sign the insurance declaration. He will check your license and your photo. If it matches you, you will sign, and then he will ask you if you want your instructor with you in the test. You are allowed to take your instructor with you. Not that he's going to help you, he'll just be there at the back sitting doing nothing. So you have a choice to take your driving instructor with you or not. So it's up to you. Once you've made that choice, the examiner will say, lead me your way to your car. You will go out and point your finger towards your car and say, this is my car. So now the examiner will ask you to stand and read a number plate around 20.5 meters away. If you can't read, that will be end of your test. So if you need glasses, make sure you take with you. If you wear contact lenses, make sure you're wearing. Now the examiner will ask you two questions about your car. He could either ask you before you enter your car or once you have entered. So you come in, so you go into your car, put your seatbelt on and relax. And don't do anything else because you've already been driving the car, so your seats are already adjusted, your mirrors are already done. So just put your seatbelt on, relax. The examiner will explain how the test is going to be like, and then start your car. Take a deep breath, do your best. You know what you need to do. You have been practicing, you have been learning for a while. Your instructor have been telling you what to do, so you know you are ready. You are on this seat to do your test. My advice to you, be confident, make sure you take a deep breath and start your journey. You can do this because you are ready to do this. This is the reason why you are here at this moment at the test. Now, finally, I want to give you my final tip and the most important tip, and that is make sure you believe in yourself. Without believing, you won't be able to do this test. You must believe you can do this, and this is the reason why you're here. Remember, the instructor believes in you. This is the reason why you're here. He's not going to risk his license, and he's not going to risk his car, and he's not going to give his key in your hand to drive by yourself without any help if he doesn't believe in you. He believes in you. Why don't you? Make sure you know you can do this. If you believe you can, you can. If you believe you can't, you can't. I've been doing this job for a long time, and I can tell you many failed the test because they gave up. Either because they are too nervous on the day and they just give up, or they've done something wrong in the middle and they think it's a fail and they give up from that point. And I can tell you from my experience that many, they gave up for something in the test, and at the end they find out that that wasn't the reason why they failed. Anyway, I hope this video helps, and I truly wish you all the best on the day, and I hope you pass your test. If you like the video, make sure you give a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you again on the next video, and I wish you all the best. See you again on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you another time.